Now we are at the end of the webinar series. A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of National Webinar Series on COVID-19 and Nutrition. Over the last 6 days, we have had a deep insights into several issues on food, nutrition and health from eminent speakers from different parts of the country. Now, may I request Dr. Renuka Meti, Chairperson, Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women University, Vijaypura, to give a crisp summary of the whole webinar series and present valedictory remarks.
Today we have come to an end of our national level webinar on COVID-19 and nutrition conducted by the Department of Food Processing and Nutrition. I am extremely happy to announce to you all that more than 850 delegates from all over India, from all the universities, from Kerala to Jammu Kashmir, from Gujarat to Orissa, have participated and registered in the national webinar. I thank wholeheartedly all the eminent professors who have spared their knowledge in nutrition and related. On the first day, Dr. Jyoti, Assistant Director, NIPSID Regional Center, Bangalore, she spoke on maternal and child nutrition and emphasized on sustainable development goals, mainly focused on goal that is end hunger, achieve food security, improved nutrition. She also elicited on the status of maternal and child nutritional status around the globe. She elaborated on nutrition intervention to be undertaken at each level. She gave detailed information on Poshan Abhiyan, its components, key strategies and interventions under the Poshan Abhiyan. She focused on key sectors for maximizing nutrition impacts. Dr. Shilpa H. She spoke on hidden hunger, challenges, actions and future prospects. She provided exhaustive information on hidden hunger and status of micronutrient deficiency all over the globe. She explained how COVID-19 impacts malnutrition, elaborated on government initiatives to cope up the situation. She also addressed on strategies to combat malnutrition and provide future prospects to eradicate malnutrition. On day 2, Dr. Usha Devi C. Food for Life, Survive First, Sustain Next. She gave good insights on effects of pandemic on the local food systems. She inspired the participants through sharing success story of young startup engineers initiation in delivering food to the starving and needy people. She spoke on strategies adopted in India to face the challenges of COVID-19. She highlighted on the need of public-private partnership in ensuring food to all during this pandemic situation. On the third day, Dr. Vijayalakshmi D. She spoke on healthy eating habits during stay at home, highlighted on better dietary habits to enhance body's immune system during current pandemic situation. She recommended healthy food steps to follow at home. She also emphasized on fruits and vegetables intake, antiviral foods and lifestyle modifications. She gave tips for planning healthy meals while working from home. On day 4, Dr. Suma Divakar, she spoke on traditional foods regaining strength during COVID-19. Comprehensively dealt about need for traditional foods in the current pandemic situations. She highlighted on the immuno-boosting traditional foods of Kerala. On day 5, Dr. Sangeeta Pandey, she spoke on nutrition transition and COVID-19 pandemic. She threw light on major transition in eating habits, lifestyle during lockdown and given nutrition recommendations during COVID-19 pandemic. On the last day, myself Dr. Renuka Meti spoke on the topic of dietary modifications for non-communicable diseases. I dealt with diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, burns, chronic respiratory diseases. So, dietary modifications during these diseases was dealt in detail by myself. At the last, wholeheartedly, I thank all the professors who are experienced in the field of food science and nutrition, have spared their valuable time and knowledge for our national webinar. I thank wholeheartedly our Vice Chancellor Sir, Registrar Madam, Finance Officer Madam, Registrar Evaluation Sir, and my department young staff, Food Processing and Nutrition. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam, for your valedictory remarks. Now, may I request Ms. Jennifer Saulam for proposing vote of thanks.
Thank you, Natraj sir. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. So firstly, I wish to express my gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura, Professor Onkar Gowda Kakde, Registrar Professor R. Sunandamma, Registrar Evaluation Professor P.G. Tatsad, Finance Officer Professor Vijaya B. Korishetty for providing encouragement and giving such a wonderful platform for organizing this webinar series. I, on behalf of Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura and the Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our speakers, namely Dr. P. Krishnamurthy, Additional Director, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, New Delhi, for remarks by guest of honor, and Dr. G. Jyoti, Assistant Director, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, Southern Regional Center, Bengaluru, Karnataka, for keynote address on inaugural session. I thank our technical session speakers, Dr. Shilpa H., Scientist, Home Science, ICAR KVK Hagari, Ballari, Dr. Usha Devi, Associate Professor, Head Department of Food Science and Nutrition, Srimati VHD, Central Institute of Home Science College, Bengaluru. Dr. Vijayalakshmi D., former Professor, Department of Food Science and Nutrition, University of Agricultural Sciences, GKVK, Bengaluru. Dr. Suma Divakar, Professor and Head, Department of Community Science, College of Agriculture, Vellayani, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Dr. Sangeeta Pandey, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, Mount Carmel College, Bengaluru. Dr. Renuka Meti, Associate Professor, Chairperson, Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura, Karnataka, for gracing your valuable time and sharing with us your knowledge and opinion for this webinar series. We all are inspired by your great talks. Thank you once again. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record my hearty thanks to Organizing Secretary and to the Chairperson of Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, Dr. Renuka Meti, for her support and guidance throughout the webinar series. A heartfelt thank you to the program convener, Dr. Natraj A. Durganavar, Assistant Professor of Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, for making this event a great success by his active role from the beginning to the end of the series and moderating all the sessions. Thank you, sir, for planning and organizing such a wonderful series. I thank the co-conveners, Dr. Prashant S.J., Associate Professor, and Dr. Savita Hulmani, Assistant Professor, and all the non-teaching staff of Department of Food Processing and Nutrition for the support and cooperation they have extended to make this event a grand success. A big thank you to all the participants for their active participation and showing their keen interest in all the sessions. Without you all, it wouldn't be successful. Thank you so much. I also extend my thanks to technical committee members Mr. Sandeep, Assistant Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, and ICT Coordinator Dr. Rohini Bhusnurmat for their enormous technical support in the organization of this event. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank once again all the resource persons and participants of this webinar series. After the end of valedictory function, the overall feedback form will be posted to the groups. Kindly fill the feedback form after this valedictory ceremony.